I'd been a nurse for 40 years in the NHS.
Yes.
And looking after that generation really was the honour of my life. It really was.
Goodness. What was it you noted about that generation?
I think it was that on a night time when it was quiet, I'd go and talk to them, and I've been talking to generals, from generals to privates. I've been over bombers in Berlin. I've been out in the desert hunting U-boats in the Atlantic and on the beaches in Normandy with them.
How incredible!
The two things that struck me were the look in their eyes as they recalled their memories, and the quiet way that they faced up to the final battle with the same fortitude that they did in their personal battles during the Second World War.